For couples with a passion for adventure and a love for minimalist design, a new camper van has arrived that promises to redefine road tripping and outdoor living. This newly unveiled camper van, known for its streamlined design and functional features, combines simplicity with practicality to create the perfect rolling home for those who seek both style and functionality on their travels. The latest addition to the camper van market is a marvel of minimalist design, showcasing a sleek and unobtrusive exterior that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Its understated aesthetics are complemented by a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space and comfort without unnecessary clutter. This balance between form and function makes the camper van an ideal choice for couples who value both design and practicality in their adventures. One of the standout features of this camper van is its compact yet efficient layout. The interior is designed with a focus on optimizing space, providing a comfortable living area while maintaining a compact footprint. The van features a versatile seating arrangement that can be easily transformed into a cozy sleeping area, making it perfect for couples seeking a comfortable place to rest after a day of exploration. The seating area is equipped with high-quality cushions and upholstery, ensuring that comfort is not compromised. The camper van's kitchen is another highlight, offering all the essential amenities for preparing meals on the go. It includes a compact but fully functional kitchenette with a sink, a 2-burner stove, and a small refrigerator. The kitchen is cleverly designed to maximize storage space, with overhead cabinets and drawers providing ample room for utensils, cookware, and food supplies. This efficient use of space allows couples to enjoy home-cooked meals while traveling, adding to the overall convenience and comfort of their journey. In addition to its functional kitchen, the camper van features a stylish and practical bathroom area. The compact bathroom includes a portable toilet and a shower with a space-saving design. The shower is equipped with a high-quality water pump and a retractable curtain, ensuring that even in a small space, couples can enjoy the comforts of home. The bathroom area is also thoughtfully designed with storage solutions for toiletries and other essentials. The camper van's design incorporates several smart features that enhance its practicality and livability. It is equipped with a high-efficiency heating and cooling system, ensuring a comfortable temperature regardless of the weather outside. The van also includes solar panels on the roof, providing a sustainable source of power for the van's electrical systems. This eco-friendly feature allows couples to stay off-grid and enjoy extended periods of travel without the need for frequent recharging or refueling. For those who enjoy spending time outdoors, the camper van includes a retractable awning that provides shade and protection from the elements. The awning is easy to deploy and offers a comfortable outdoor space for relaxation, dining, or socializing. Additionally, the van's exterior is designed with multiple storage compartments, allowing couples to easily stow outdoor gear and equipment. The minimalist design of the camper van is complemented by its high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The interior features natural wood finishes, sleek surfaces, and a neutral color palette that creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. The attention to detail in the design ensures that the camper van not only looks stylish but also offers a practical and comfortable living environment. Overall, this new camper van represents a perfect blend of minimalist design and practical functionality. Its compact size, efficient layout, and high-quality features make it an excellent choice for adventurous couples who seek a stylish and comfortable home on wheels. Whether exploring remote destinations or embarking on cross-country road trips, this camper van promises to deliver a memorable and enjoyable travel experience. In summary, the latest minimalist camper van is a testament to the evolving demands of modern travelers. With its sleek design, efficient use of space, and practical features, it caters to couples who value both style and functionality in their adventures. As the popularity of camper vans continues to rise, this new offering stands out as a versatile and attractive option for those seeking a rolling home that combines elegance with practicality.